Good. Friends, first of all, Doctor, congratulations on this achievement.
Thank you.
May I know your name, rank that you have achieved, batch you are from, and place you belong to?
My name is Dr. Dhaval Ramesh Chandra Choksi. I got 137 rank in PGI, 99 rank in All India, 63 in state entrance, Maharashtra State PG entrance. I was student of EV2 batch from this Delhi.
Very good. Very good. Okay, and what you are now opted
Right now I have opted for MD Medicine in KEM Hospital, St. GS Medical College, KEM Hospital, Mumbai.
Mumbai. Very good. Very good. Okay, how do you came to know about IMS, and who gave you information basically about IMS? And what has been your experience after joining IMS?
My senior who's doing ophthalmology in PGI, he had done IMS classes from Mumbai.
Okay.
So through him I came to know about IMS classes.
Okay.
And he had a great experience. He got the rank, so he said ki classes are very good, you can go for it. And out of choice I went for Delhi rather than Mumbai.
Okay.
And
Reason behind was?
basically I wanted to stay away from home because I'm a homesick guy. So I knew if I stay in Mumbai, my basic place, I'm from Nasik. So I know if I was in Mumbai, then I would rush home every 2-3 weeks. But coming,
your studies.
yeah, that would hamper my studies. So I came here so that I had no option. I couldn't just go. So I stayed here and prepared. Yeah.
Very good. How will you rank the IMS faculty and the literature that you've gone through?
Faculty is amazing. We have very good staff, and the literature also is really up to the mark. The only problem that happens is to balance reading books or notes, but in such cases we have certain exceptional information in the booklets which the IMS provides, so those things are must read for every student.
And the faculty?
Teachers are absolutely fine, barring for a few subjects. Occasional here and there happens. It's preferable I don't say, but yeah, except for one or two, rest of the faculty is really nice. We have wonderful people in medicine, in ENT, ortho. We have very good ones. Even in pharmac, we have really nice ones. Surgery, wonderful. Pediatrics, very nice.
Okay, what's your view about the different kind of examinations which are being conducted in IMS for students' preparation? For example, the online, the FTS sessions, the subject level tests. What do you think about them, and do you really feel that they're good?
See, online I never gave, so I can't say anything about it. Regarding FTS, I feel FTS is a great exam. One reason for that is the level of examination is difficult, so that pushes you very hard, because it's very obvious that if you get less marks, then you will strive and study more hard the next time.
Correct.
So what that does is it makes you work very hard, and a person who gets say 50% here, he is bound to get 60-62% in other exams.
Correct.
So yeah, you may get a bit demoralized that I am not getting a lot of score, but then you are preparing for a very, very difficult exam. Maybe those questions are such which will come as new questions. So in that way the FTS is very good. Second thing is monthly assessment happens. In last 1 month, how have I prepared? Am I going in the right direction? This is what you get to know from the FTS. And that's why FTS is very good. One problem with FTS at times happens is lengthy questions, difficult questions, so students don't finish 300 questions. But then one message is, don't get demoralized by that thing. The only thing is keep judging your performance every month. It should increase every month.
What do you think about the group discussion part used to happen after FTS sessions?
Partly it was good. At times, maybe because of fatigue factor, we used to come early morning, give papers, and then go through the answers, then discussion. So till 3-4, everyone had that stamina. After 4, everyone used to get tired. Not just students, even teachers get tired. So after that, it was not that fruitful. But yeah, in the initial 2-3 hours and in few subjects, it was good.
Okay. What is the single statement that you would like to make for IMS, if I say?
Maybe I'll say IMS is like what we say in biology, an enzyme. That one can crack entrance without IMS also. One can crack enzyme. One can crack the entrance without anyone's help also. But if you have IMS, it's like it will decrease your time span. Something which you would do in 3 years, you can do in 1 year. You can get rank say 1000. With IMS, you can get rank of 500, or as I've got 99, you can get better rank. So it will decrease. You will require less time. You will get better rank. That's how it helps, and it's good. I guess it's a really nice place. At least it helped me, and it keeps you very, very sincere and honest. Doesn't let you deviate. You're always on the focus. Yeah, I have to do well. I have to do well. That is because without joining classes, that thing is difficult.
With this note, Doctor, I would like to thank you for joining IAS and wish you all the best
Thank you.
for your future. And I wish that you, just like this, you cross a new barrier and your new era now. And may God give you a lot of blessings and you reach higher and higher.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.